Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to unpin a channel on WhatsApp for PC after the new update. If you've been exploring WhatsApp's latest features, you might have noticed some design and menu changes, and one of them affects how you manage your channels. So let's walk through the exact steps to unpin a channel in just a few seconds. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're using the updated version so the interface looks fresh and up to date. Once the app is open, look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a new series of icons there. One of them is a channel icon. It's the one you use to manage all your followed channels in one place. Click on that channel icon and you'll see a list of channels you've joined or pinned for quick access. Now, scroll through the list and find the channel that you want to unpin. If a channel is pinned, it'll appear right at the top, making it easier to spot. When you find the channel you no longer want pinned, move your mouse over it and right-click. A small menu will appear with several options related to channel management. From that list, select the option that says Unpin Channel. The moment you click it, the channel will instantly move down to its normal position among your other channels. That's it, you've successfully unpinned a channel on WhatsApp using your PC. The process is simple, clean, and takes just a few seconds once you know where to look. If you ever change your mind, you can always pin it again using the same steps just right. Click on the channel and choose Pin Channel. It's handy for keeping your favorite updates within easy reach. So now you know how to unpin a WhatsApp channel after the latest update. If this helped you, make sure to keep exploring the new features to get the most out of your WhatsApp experience. Thanks for watching.